A comprehensive warehouse maintenance checklist is crucial for maintaining smooth operations and ensuring safety in your facility. Regular inspections and maintenance tasks help prevent accidents, ensure compliance with regulations, and prolong the lifespan of equipment and facilities. This presentation outlines essential maintenance tasks organized by frequency: daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual, along with how to integrate these tasks into a digital system for more efficient management. Daily maintenance tasks are vital for a safe and efficient warehouse. Begin by inspecting the facility for damage or hazards, like wall cracks or water damage. Clean floors regularly to remove dust and spills, preventing slip hazards. Check safety equipment such as fire extinguishers and ensure emergency exits are clear. Verify lighting fixtures for functionality and replace any burned out bulbs. Weekly tasks focus on equipment and inventory management. Inspect forklifts and pallet jacks for wear and schedule routine maintenance. Organize inventory to ensure accuracy and optimize space. Check HVAC systems for proper functioning and clean air filters. Inspect loading docks for damage, lubricating parts as needed. Monthly maintenance involves checking electrical and security systems. Inspect electrical panels for wear and schedule an electrician if needed. Test security cameras and alarms to ensure they are working properly. Check plumbing for leaks and repair promptly to prevent damage. Inspect loading equipment for wear and lubricate moving parts. Quarterly tasks include deep cleaning and roof inspections. Clean high traffic areas and steam clean surfaces to remove grime. Inspect the roof and clean gutters to prevent water damage. Annually hire a professional for structural inspections. Update the emergency response plan and conduct evacuation drills. Integrate maintenance tasks digitally with eAuditor for efficiency. Create digital checklists organized by area and frequency. Use mobile devices for real-time inspections and documentation. Set automated reminders for scheduled tasks and instant alerts for issues. Generate reports to track history and ensure compliance. Implementing a comprehensive checklist with eAuditor enhances safety and efficiency. It reduces costs by minimizing downtime and prolonging equipment lifespan. Start by downloading eAuditor and creating customized checklists. The digital system streamlines operations and provides necessary documentation. Ensure your warehouse operates smoothly and safely today.